All right, woodworkers, welcome back. It is August 2026, and we've got the deals for you. Look at this. I've got the Woodcraft flyer here. Let's get into it. We got 10% off right off the bat on Laguna, August 7th to 17th only. All tools and accessories, 10% off. Even to be honest with you, let's be honest. 10%, it's not something that you need to get out of bed for, but if you're already planning on buying a tool from Laguna and you're thinking, hey, I'm thinking about me buying in September, maybe it's worth it to push it to an August purchase, because it's 10%. Now, if it's something like 20% or more, then we'd want to like rush out and borrow money from mom and from your neighbor and from everyone else. But 10%, can't say that it's terribly exciting. Same goes for the Raycon. Save 10%. Raycon 1 to August 15th. Again, 10%. Yeah, come on, guys. You could do better. You could do better there, manufacturers. And let's look at some of the new stuff. We've got the Woodpeckers Ultra Shear Carbide Turning Tools. It's $150 for the full-size square, detail, and rounded. These are carbide cutters, so kind of like the easy wood stuff. The Woodpeckers, of course, is going to be made in the USA, in Strongsville, Ohio, of high quality. And, of course, it's going to have a handsome price. But one nice thing about woodpeckers is that the quality is always very high, so you can buy without any kind of worry that you're going to get something cheap. But there it is, 150 bucks, plus all these different inserts that you can replace with, and even a cool little insert tray that you can keep all of your extra carbide inserts. That's kind of neat, right? Now here's something that I found at the Woodcraft. This is something that's new. This is the Iwasaki draw file, and what these are files that are shaped like a draw knife. But as you can see, we've got these little like grippy handles, and it's rounded. And you basically will use it kind of, oh, it even has a direction. Look at that direction. You work it like a spoke shave to shape your wood pieces. They're $24.99, which, you know, it's kind of like, oh, a little bit pricey, but not terribly expensive. But I was like, oh, you know what? I'm going to buy one of these because I just think they're kind of cool. Like, I want to use them. If you ever use spoke shaves, you know, sometimes they can be a little bit, you know, tricky to maneuver. I'm expecting this to be nice and smooth. So here it is. They've got 4 different sizes. They've got the rounded, flat, and then in the rounded and flat, they have the medium cut, and then there's something called the bastard cut. The bastard cut is a lot rougher, so you can get a little bit more digging into it. So good and so exciting as a new product that I bought one myself. So also they've got this thing called the Steady Curve from Woodpeckers, and this is a bandsaw template guide. Mounts to the mounted track of your bandsaw table, and then you kind of set it up so that you can use a template much as you would with a router table, but instead of using the router table where it can kind of shoot off and, like, you know, hit you, this is the bandsaw, which is a lot easier to control. So it looks very compelling, looks really interesting. $200 for that should be something for you to check out. They also have something called the joinery sled. And the joinery sled, if you ever watch those YouTubers and they're always talking about making like tenoning jigs and all of that kind of thing, well, instead of making a jig, you could just buy the jig from Woodpeckers. And of course, Woodpeckers, high quality. They've got these like leveling feet that you can level the jig if it's unlevel on your table. There's so many features about it. I was really surprised. I was watching the video about it. $370. We're going to start off with the stuff that's going to be the most discounted, so you can get the best deal out of it. And the first thing, as always, is this razor saw Dozuki Universal Combination Saw, 180 millimeters, number 295. So the Dozuki, I have this one, and I'm actually in a strange position now because those of you who follow this show a lot will know that I tend to buy a new Japanese saw on this sale every month, and it seems that we've finally come around to Woodcraft putting the same saw on sale after like 18 months of buying. So I will not be buying a saw this month because I already have it. And this is a Dozuki long rib, really thin kerf, cross cut blade, and really, really nice balance, good quality, rubberized grip, replaceable blade. So when it finally, you know, dies on you in 20 years, you can just take this off here, pull it out, and then buy a new one, pop it in, put it back together, and get back to sawing. Then moving on, we got the Wood River 7-inch quick release vise, 50% off, $100. I have the Wood River 10-inch vise, and it's very, very nice, really beefy, a really beast to put into your bench, so do be careful when you're doing that. And it's 50% off, so it's normally $200, so $100, really a great deal. If you need a vise, you can, and as you can see in mine, I put chops in mine, so you can kind of make it fancy. So consider that. They've also got the Crown Anti-Fatigue Mat, 50% off. If you don't have an anti-fatigue mat, it's something to consider, and especially at this cheaper price. I have one that is, from Harbor Freight for standing by one of my workbenches, and I think it's really, really key. It really just helps, especially if you're working on concrete like I am, so consider that. That's a great deal, 50% off. And then Wood River has their safety tool set, 50% off at $20.49. This is a 5-piece power tool safety set. I don't have these things. I just have this smaller kit I've shown you before. These are push sticks for flat pushing. And I bought these when they were on sale one time, and I was like, okay, I just need something to work. I'm very enthusiastic about these. The grippiness is really great. It's comfortable, and it was very affordably priced. So $20.49 for all these components. Plus you get two. These look like they have the new handles, like they look more contoured, so you might like those better. Moving right along, we've got some dimensional wood lumber. So we've got here Granadillo dimensional lumber is 50% off, starting at $5. Maple turning stock is 50% off, starting at $199. The Lynx 4-piece curved cabinet scraper set, $10 off, $15. Lynx makes some nice products. I will get their scrapers. This is their straight scraper. I even have their convex scraper set. I bought both of these on the Woodcraft sale, so these are great times to get scrapers for yourself. Something for you might be making little boxes. These High Point side rail hinges, brass pair, $10 off, which is 36%, $18. That's a nice little deal there. Something kind of fun that I think has a pretty good discount is this one, 23% off, $8 off. It's $27 price. Camillus Carnivore Inject Machete Kit with trimming knife. Now, it comes with two knives. There's a machete and the knife, and it looks kind of got that kind of like tonto point, right? And then it's got this straight, looks kind of cool. And I've got this titanium machete that I bought last year, and I'm intending to make it, but I have not gotten around to making it. So don't do like I do. Making knives is a fun little side project that you can do. I think this might be interesting. These paring chisels, Wood River individual bent paring chisels, 20% off, starting at $24.79. This is my Wood River socket chisel. I bought this during last month's sale. I needed a big wide 1-inch chisel, and you know what? The quality is very nice. Like it may not be to the fit and finish of like my Japanese chisels, or let's say like the Lee Nielsen chisels, but the quality overall very nice, and everything's flat, everything is in line, everything is how you want it to be. So if you're looking for affordable price chisels, I mean, $25 is a great start. The paring chisel has this angle, and that allows you to get in there and, do your paring. Another hand tool that I think might be kind of interesting if those of you who are getting into it is this one, the Wood River number 3 bench hand plane, smoothing plane. It is $40 off, 18%, $180. If you're just starting out and you want your first bench plane, this may be too small. Let me show you mine. This is my number 3. This is a Craftsman, 1920s era Craftsman made by Miller's Falls. I'm still in the middle of restoring it. I got it a couple months ago and I'm slowly restoring it, but the size is pretty good, but it's a little bit smaller lengthwise, and it's also a little bit narrower than the number 4. The number 4 is kind of like the de facto standard smoothing plane. If you want to get a plane that's on sale, this could be a good way to go. So think about that. And the Wood River V3s, the version 3s, nice quality. I have no real reservations about them. We've got the Woodpecker's Precision T-Square with racket, so you can hang it on your wall. $20 off, which is 12.5%. Not an incredible amount of discount for the Woodpeckers, although Woodpecker's discounts greater than 10% are very, very few and far between. If you really want a nice T-Square, these are high quality, and that's where, to me, Woodpeckers comes into play. You're getting what you pay for out of it. And then, of course, there's finishing. So we've got George's Clubhouse Wax, 33% off, $4 off, $8. Osmo UV Protection Oil. I've never used this one, so I don't really know much what this does. I've only used the Osmo Poly X, and I think it's a fantastic one. If $38, it could be something worth trying out. And then, of course, this is my favorite finishing right here, Wood River Pure Tongue Oil, and that's what I use a lot of. Here it is. This is my current bottle. It's 10% off. So, honestly, 10% off. It's like right now, I've got this bottle. If it was a greater discount, I'd probably go buy more. But at 10%, do I really need to buy it now and then stock up and then store it? Probably not. So I'll just wait until I run out and then it's time to buy. So some of the other sales here, they got a special $140 off on the Jet. This is through the whole month of August. Vortex Cone Dust Collector with 2-micron canister kit, $850. And then if you need air filtration for your shop, this is a great way to go. Air filtration, 1000 CFM, which is $110 off, $550. And of course, there is the sale on the Raycon, 10% off, August 1st to 15th only, and then 10% off on the Laguna, August 7th to 17th only. And then don't forget, there are free in-store demos, getting the most out of your drill press on August 8th, intro to wood turning on August 15th. And as always, if you're there, look for the classes at your local Woodcraft. They have a lot of great classes going on. I've seen the schedules at all the Woodcrafts that I've visited around the country, and there's a lot of fascinating classes out there. Some of the ones here in Baltimore that are coming up that I've heard about is more Adirondack chairs, as well as David's working on a cherry like table. I've been watching him build it for build the model, and it looks pretty awesome. So kind of a credenza table for your, for your entryway. So that's going to be a class coming up here in Baltimore, but they've got classes all over the country and all different types of things. So do check it out. And let me know what you think about this new format. Let me know what's important to you. Like, there's some things that I just don't do in woodworking. Tell me what's appealing to you, and maybe we can do more content on that in the future. So hope this helps. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.